Marta, a casual host who's always curious about how money works in this digital age. Today we're going to dive into the topic of e-money. I'm Tiara, the queen of Tap Tap Pay. Anyway, if there's something practical, I'll go first. I'm Ray. Hobbies are searching for data and checking application security. Don't worry, your money is safe. I'm Angan, QRIS's best partner. When my wallet's empty, my phone's full, I often shop online. Heh heh.
Hello guys! Welcome back to Cuan Santai, the place where we talk about money but make it fun. Today, we're going to fully explore atau mengupas tuntas that's not just in our wallets but also on our phone. Yep, it's electronic money or e-money.
Wow, a topic that makes us forget the hassles of loose change, right?
So practical!
Manta, nowadays I think when you said the final way to cash anymore, but where cards and digital balance?
Absolutely true, Manta. I feel incomplete the Abdul if I go out without my phone to scan QRIS.
Agreed. So, in line with the title, the evolution of e-money and its social impact. And today, we have three panelists ready to dispute about e-money. We have Tiara.
Hello.
Ray.
Hello.
Anggun. Hello. Say hello to camera, guys. Hello. Okay, before we dive deeper into the conversation, let's warm up. To keep things light, we're playing one honest word. It's simple, guys, it's simple. What is the one word that comes to mind when you hear e-money? Writing down on the paper provided, then leave it up together to camera. Count of 3. Okay, guys, understand?
Yes.
Okay, now you can do it, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. Done?
Done.
Okay. Now, slow your down. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Okay, wow. Tiara wrote practical, very neat. Next, Ray wrote data. A bit suspicious. Next, Anggun. Snacks! Jajan, this is super honest, definitely a young person. From Anggun's words next, let's jump into right to core discussion. Are you ready, guys?
Ready!
Time for the main content! Okay guys, Tiara as the representative of the word practical. What is the most enjoyable side of using e-money in our daily life according to you?
It's practically is unmatched, Marta. Just imagine whether you're paying for parking, buying coffee, or taking public transport, you just tap or scan. No drama of rummaging through your wallet atau bongkar-bongkar dompet. Nah, looking for exchanges, and also like when we hang out, nongkrong with friends, the issue of splitting the bill atau kita bilang patungan nih becomes so smooth, just instant transfer. We don't have to wait for the cashier to break 100,000 rupiah bill.
That's so true, Tiara. Especially for snack. Even the small store near our school near Expert Heroes. It feels like we have entered an era where speed and convenience are the main values.
Mantap. So Imani makes transaction super efficient and less awkward when splitting the bill. Now, Ray the one choose data. Why are you thinking about data when we talk about Imani? You're not thinking about how he get? Are you Ray?
Based on reports from Bank Indonesia, the volume of electronic money transactions in Indonesia continues to increase sharply every year. In 2024, the transactions risen to tens of trillions of rupiah. This shows that all society is trust in this technology is extremely high.
Crazy, thousands of trillions that could buy instant noodles atau mie instan for a lifetime. Seumur hidup guys, I think. Anggun as the representative for snacks and daily transaction. How has Imani changed our interaction with others? For example, with small vendors.
Now, this is the most exciting part. In the part, small vendors call down image using digital payment. Now, everyone can use QRIS. This not only adds practice to the vendor but also helps their business. They don't need to stock up on a lot of change atau uang kembalian, and their customer reach becomes winner because they don't have to worry about carrying cash atau uang tunai. This is called financial inclusion, guys. No more excuse not to buy something because you don't have the money.
That's right. So, Imani elevates the level of small vendors into the digital era. That's a super positive social impact, not just for us, but for everyone.
I see. Awesome. So, besides being a practical and safe, Imani also creates equality and strengthens the local economy. Wow, I didn't think the conversation could get this deep, sedip ini loh guys pembahasan kita.
Wow.
Wow, time flies so fast. Waktunya nggak kerasa ternyata kita ngomong-ngomong ya guys. From the words practical, tunjuk practical, data and snacks. We've got some solid conclusion.
The bottom line is money is a transformation that we cannot avoid.
And it makes our lives much easier, making our wallet digital atau dompet kita itu lebih ringan, pretends to live a life wallet.
Thus, it prevents us from overspending. Itu nggak bikin boros because our transactions are nearly recorded.
Nah, there it is. Imani is convenience, efficiency, and the power of data change how we interact, transact, and even share in social life. Of course, with all this convenience, we must also remain wise and protect our data confidentiality, okay? And don't let your password be the same as your name's crush, okay guys? And otherwise, your balance might move too. Okay guys, thank you so much. Nggak kerasa kita mau berpisah. To Tiara, Ray, and Anggun for the super cool insight.
You're welcome.
And why? Cuan?
Cuan santai.
Okay. And for our friends at home, don't forget to stay tech savvy atau melihat secara jelas teknologi yang ada di depan kita and utilize e-money for positive things. That's all for episode of Cuan Santai. Keep smart, keep digital, and keep smiling. See you guys. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Wah wah wah.